Okay, we have a darkness. You can hear that darkness. We have some representation of the particles of that light. However, it's something is still missing. I know it's quite rich ambience. It's almost overloaded already, but let's push it a bit further. I know that might be a long shot, but something tells me we would like to play around with a voice. So let's have a look at the action view. And I found the file which I've recorded in Central Park in New York a while ago. Okay, it might be a long shot indeed, but let's see what can we do. Let's move that file across. Let's grab that handle here. And yeah, there's a bad spike, which is probably me handling the recorder. We just cut it, move across, press X to crossfade that section. And then how about we just copy this section so it matches our length. At the moment it's very realistic. Central Park, New York City, 2000. Oh, that was this year. Okay. That totally doesn't make a sense right now. However, let's reverse those files. Let's go to Audio, Process, Reverse, New Version. Let's just solo this for a second. Very realistic. You can still hear those birds, still hear those people. How about we apply a couple of plugins? Let's start with pitch shift from Waves Sound Shifter. And let's go drastic. Let's go -12. Doesn't sound like Earth. Doesn't sound like Central Park anymore, isn't it? Exactly, that's the point. Okay, this sound is very close. We need to put some space on top of it, and there's this plugin I've already shown you through Verb from Waves as well. Okay, I've picked up Millennium Verb. That's one of the presets in True Verb plugin. Let's get rid of Direct a little bit. And let's move ourselves from the source a little bit. Okay. You probably can hear now what is happening when it's going. I believe it's a good moment to do some filtering. For that, I'm going to use Studio EQ from Steinberg that comes with Cubase. Let's click the spectrum so we see what's happening in this particular clip. And first, we need to get rid of those bottom and top noises. A little bit of that rumble is good, a little bit. Okay, so we got that mystery sound of something that's way far than what we see. So there's the whole unknown world sitting somewhere in that darkness. We cannot see that, but we can hear bits and pieces of that. And to make it more dramatic, spatial and panner. There's a beautiful plugin, Brauer Motion Stereo, that I strongly recommend you to play around if you have a chance. I got it on a special for $29, which is very, very cheap. And as you can hear, it's pretty much creating dynamic stereo panorama. You can manipulate the width, you can manipulate your pulse, speed of your pulse, or transition from left to right